Welcome to TechMinds, where innovation meets efficiency and power reigns supreme in our industrial realm. We embrace the prowess of 40 remarkable heavy machines, each a titan in its domain, shaping landscapes and revolutionizing industries worldwide. Number 1, a wood chipper is an industrial machine designed to process wood logs and branches efficiently. It operates by chipping wood into smaller pieces or chips utilized in landscaping, composting, and biomass production. Number 2, the Vortex stump grinder employs a high-speed spinning wheel with teeth to grind and remove tree stumps effectively. It's used in land clearing, landscaping, and forestry applications. Number 3, this massive hydraulic mining excavator boasts immense digging power and a substantial payload capacity. It's employed in large-scale mining operations, handling heavy-duty earth-moving tasks with ease. Number 4, the Case 150 is a versatile construction machine. Known for its durability and adaptability, it excels in various tasks such as excavation, grading, lifting, and loading on construction sites. Number 5, renowned for its mobility and strength. This excavator is utilized in construction, excavation, and utility work for its efficiency in digging and lifting operations. Number 6, the PC3006 excavator integrates advanced technology to deliver superior performance in demanding excavation projects, ensuring high efficiency and reliability. Number 7, known for its loading capacity and efficiency. The Volvo L330E is employed in mining, quarrying, and large-scale construction projects for its ability to handle heavy loads with precision. Number 8, this specialized trenching machine efficiently creates precise trenches in challenging terrains, commonly used in utility and pipeline installations. Number 9, tailored for handling slag in industrial settings. The Technic Hero Slag Taurus offers efficient solutions for slag processing, enhancing productivity in such industries. Number 10, a robust bulldozer recognized for its power and versatility. The Caterpillar D8 excels in land clearing, grading, and pushing tasks in construction and mining operations. Number 11, this cutting tool is known for its precision, efficiently cutting and shaping various materials in industrial processes to improve productivity. Number 12, crucial for material handling in mining and quarry operations. These loaders ensure high efficiency and reliability in transporting heavy materials. Number 13, this machine is dedicated to precise stone cutting in the construction and stone cutting industry, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Number 14, optimizing material handling and transportation. This machine enhances efficiency in logistics, warehouses, and material movement. Number 15, designed for quarry environments. This excavator efficiently extracts minerals and handles heavy loads in demanding conditions. Number 16, swiftly clearing debris and leaves from outdoor spaces. This blower ensures cleanliness with its efficient debris clearing capabilities. Number 17, efficient in moving and spreading earth. The Tech Scraper plays a vital role in land leveling and grading for construction and agriculture. Number 18, adaptable and efficient. The Force Pro machine serves various industrial applications, ensuring high productivity in manufacturing processes. Number 19, offering innovative solutions for composite manufacturing processes. Chemrock machines significantly enhance efficiency in material production. Number 20, these specialized machines efficiently handle underwater construction and maintenance tasks, providing crucial support in underwater operations. Number 21, renowned for its power and precision. This excavator is suitable for heavy-duty excavation and mining projects. Number 20, specifically designed for drainage operations. This machine efficiently manages drainage tasks, contributing to agricultural land productivity. Number 23, excelling in maneuverability. These machines navigate challenging terrains efficiently, owing to their rubber-tracked undercarriage. Number 24, this wheel loader efficiently handles heavy materials, facilitating faster loading and unloading in mining and construction activities. Number 25, known for its efficiency in material handling and loading tasks, this Volvo model ensures operational productivity in various industries. Number 26, versatile in design. The crawler digger efficiently performs digging and excavation tasks across various terrains, offering flexibility and efficiency. Number 27. This machine is designed for surface mining and site preparation. It efficiently cuts through various terrains, including rock and soil, providing precise leveling and surface control. Number 28. Known for its efficiency in removing asphalt or concrete surfaces, the Wortgen W210i cold milling machine is used in road construction and rehabilitation projects. Number 29. The Kobelco SK350LC offers powerful digging force and hydraulic performance, making it suitable for mid-size excavation projects in construction and utility work. Number 30. This excavator by Doosan is versatile and efficient, suitable for various digging and loading applications in construction, excavation, and landscaping projects. Number 31. The Caterpillar 773G is a high-capacity haul truck used in mining and large-scale earth-moving operations, offering durability and productivity in hauling heavy materials. Number 30. Renowned for its hauling capacity and off-road capabilities, the Volvo A4OG is an articulated dump truck used in mining, quarrying, and large construction sites. Number 33. This mobile crane is renowned for its lifting capacity and versatility. It's used in heavy lifting operations in construction sites, industrial facilities, and infrastructure projects. Number 34. The JLG1850SJ offers exceptional height and outreach capabilities, ideal for accessing high-rise construction sites or industrial maintenance projects. Number 35. The Dynapack CA3500D compactor efficiently compacts soil and aggregates in road construction and earthwork projects, ensuring stable and durable surfaces. Number 36. This material handler is used in scrap handling, port operations, and recycling facilities. It efficiently manages and moves materials with precision. Number 37. Renowned for its lifting capacity and mobility, the Terex AC1000 is used in various heavy lifting applications in construction and infrastructure projects. Number 38. This asphalt paver is designed for paving roads and highways, ensuring precise and even surfaces in asphalt laying projects. Number 39. Known for its durability and versatility, the JCB437ZX wheel loader efficiently handles material loading and stockpiling tasks in various construction and mining applications. Number 40. The Ham HD Plus 110 IVV compactor offers precise compaction in road construction and pavement projects, ensuring uniform and stable surfaces. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.